to really reflect on the mistakes of my past.
You know, yes, baby.
To move on, to make new friends. So I really put myself out there.
What?
Well, especially since I know you don't like me. I agitate his already delicate sense of mental equilibrium. Me immunity. I could do whatever I wanted to whoever I wanted.
Sure they are, Shell. That's why she's still wearing that tacky J necklace.
Some people have the Eiffel Tower or Olive Garden. The Joker and I, our love blue. A chance to be my own woman. Fucking want. Meet the cop.
Got 50 says it.
Those park cars.
10 years ago, she broke a career-making case.
Did I stutter?
But
The shooter got close before drawing. 6 rounds. 2 for each of these 3. About this guy right here. Lonely.
She.
We got a hair. And he's got a new assassin. Holy shit. Good work, officer.
learned that a lot of people in this city want me dead. And at the top of that list is...
I thought we could build something beautiful together. I thought we could...
What about her?
Thank you.
Is that a snot bubble?
Hasn't yet hit my radar. See, I was halfway across town, hungover, a way to start my new life. With the perfect... I don't know if it's the stray Armenian arm hair or the fact that his cheese slices are always 6 months out.
Hey! Gotham PD!
Yeah, I don't think so. Cops who never would have dared come after me before were suddenly doing this.
Oh, I haven't had breakfast yet.
Yeah, but I dare a lot of people to do a lot of things, okay? Come on, I'm not even with him anymore.
I know.
Simpson.
Hey, it's Detective Montoya. Respect your elders. I mean, you're elderly.
You only have shit. Yo, Simpson!
Him.
He had 4 people killed alone last night.
If Roman Sionis is such a mastermind, how'd he get fired from his own?
Listen, I had a source at the club, his driver. He said that Roman couldn't stop talking about this thing.
Bank accounts, the details of which were said to be encoded in the atomic structure of a 30-carat diamond.
You said you had someone on the inside?
Yes, he's,
Me.
Captain, no.
Listen, Monroe, find me some tangible connection to Sionis, all right?
He gave my case away.
Poor Renee. Why don't you pour yourself a drink? It's almost noon.
Wow.
Name's Cassandra Cain.
Holy fuck.
Gotta take you back a few days. To that night I got shit-faced at the Black Furs Black Canary. She's got a killer.
Look, if you bring your boys into the fold, there are no limits to what we can... Here comes Roman Sionis. He was handed life on a silver spoon. Gin and tonics at 5.